Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy audiobooks on Spotify. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now you need to keep in mind that the free account does not include access to audiobooks. So you need to subscribe to Spotify's premium plan in order to access to audiobooks, which includes access to audiobooks. Premium subscribers get 15 hours of audiobook listening time per month, but you'll have access to certain audiobooks even on your free account. On your free account, you can tap on the search bar and you can search for any audiobooks that you are looking for. Type the name of the book and search for its audiobook. If it's available, it'll appear in the search results and you can check from there. For example, I searched the audiobook of Ikigai book. It even have its page, so I'll tap on its page. Here you can see the list of options. At the bottom, it has the audiobook of 10 hours 54 minutes. So in this way, you can search for the available audiobooks. But in order to buy the audiobooks, you need to have the Spotify's premium plan. So that's it. That's the only way to buy audiobooks on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.